Today it is currently 26 degrees and I'm riding my 72 volt Razor in this snowy mess. Snowy, icy. It's actually not even snow. It's actually ice. So I'm riding my 72 volt Razor in ice, basically. Yeah, basically. It's kind of melting right now, even though it is freaking under 30 degrees. It's melting, but it's kind of rideable on these parts that have been plowed or been driven on a lot. But yeah. Oh, and if any of y'all saw my most recent video, or one of my most recent shorts of my Razor, we were on this lake. So we were on this frozen lake right here. It was, where was it? It was right here. The short of my bike was literally right there, because I can see that crack. It was like kind of like right where that little crack is. It was right there in the middle, right there. And I didn't get it on recording, but somebody sitting over there in that pavilion called the cops on us for being on the lake. It was late. It was at like 9:30, and they called the cops because we were on the frozen lake. And surprisingly, they didn't get mad about this bike. The police didn't get mad about the bike. They only got mad that we were on the lake while it was frozen, which surprised me. It really surprised me, because I thought they would have been mad about the bike also, but apparently they weren't, which was surprising to me. I don't know why they weren't. Alright, I don't need to be going that fast. I'm a full pin it here. I'm a full pin it here. Oh, there's a snowplow. My Razor feels a lot slower than usual for some reason. I don't know why my Razor feels so slow. Here, you know what? I'm gonna start right here. Alright. Alright, I think it said 32. But also didn't have enough time to speed up enough. So that was 32 right there. That was 32 miles an hour right there. I'm gonna go back here. Oh, I'm sinking in there. I'm sinking in the snow. Oh, bumpy. Pretty sure there's a little jump right here. Yeah. Yeah, right there. There's a little bitty jump. Got like no air from it. I got like 0 air from it. Back on the ice and then back. I wheelied through the through the water. There's another road. Man, this thing just will take hills. It's like it doesn't even care. Oh, my hands are cold, man. And I'm stuck. Amazon. Oh my gosh, this suspension, because it's cold, it's like locked up. So do we go that way or do we go that way? Oh shoot. Dude, what the frick is all that about? Somebody riding down that little hill? People sledding over there. Go. Oh, that's slippery. Yeah, so earlier when I was recording, I came through here. You can see my tire marks. I came through here. I came over there, but I wasn't even fully recording. Oh, that's slick. Hey. Oh crap. Alright. I'm not leaving my key. We going. Oh shoot. It's slipping down. It's sliding down, bro. Alright. Let's see. Got my key in there. Alright. I'm gonna go in here. Bro. Oh, all right, we're going in here. No, we're not going in here. Yeah, no, we're not doing this. Oh my gosh, I'm falling. What do I do in this situation? Oh. I'm an idiot. This is all ice. That's ice. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh. 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 Oh my gosh. Now how do I get down this, you might ask? Oh, that's how you get down that. Now my butt is soaking wet. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh my gosh. This is all so slippery. Oh my. I can like feel myself about to slide. Oh man. Oh. Is that a vape? Trying to find a rock to throw. No, I'm done. Bro, I probably look like an old man right now. Trying not to fall down. I guarantee that's what I look like. Alright. Please tell me I didn't lose my... Yep, I didn't lose my key. Good. Let's see, what am I at? 80 volts? I started at 84. Alright, how do I get through this? That's the question. Yeah. My shoes might be waterproof, but not that deep. Oh. No! Okay. Oh my god. Oh look. No, my fender. Let's go, I did it. I did it. Let's go! Let's go! I freaking did it! Extra people over there playing soccer. I'm actually here riding my race. Like, bro, I've got no room to talk. There's actually people over there playing soccer, bro. My motor is like cut off there. I would have jumped it, but it like cut off. Oh, I can jump this. Oh. Oh, oh, this is just a sheet of ice. Like, it's not even snow. Oh, that's what's good about having a small bike. You can do that. Woo. They made a whole igloo. That's cool. Oh. Oh, that was a lot more rough than I thought. Holy crap. Oh. Oh, 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 oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That was one of my old friend's houses right there. Okay. I feel like I need to be done. Like this is all just, this is just like. Alright, here we go. Smooth right here. Alright, I hope y'all liked the video, guys. Stay tuned for more bike content. I'm gonna be uploading some more content of either riding this or just normal mountain biking, just riding my mountain bike. I'll see you on the next video. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. I hope y'all enjoy this content. Peace.